Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode log jammed error, jammed bold reset plus alignment fix. A log jam error on a Schlage encode typically means the deadbolt cannot fully extend or retract. This is usually caused by door misalignment, a blocked strike plate, or a disconnected motor wire. Here are some quick fixes for door alignment. Fix 1 is to check door alignment. Ensure that the door is fully closed and flush with the frame before locking. A partially ajar door is the most common cause of jams. Fix 2 is to inspect the strike plate. Make sure the deadbolt lines up perfectly with the hole in the door frame, as misalignment causes frictions, which is triggering the jam. Fix 3. Clear any obstructions. Ensure there are no debris, dust, or paint that is blocking the strike plate hole. Fix 4. Manually jiggle the bolt. Simply use the interior thumb turn or the key from the outside to gently operate the deadbolt. If it feels stuck or grinds, manually exercise the bolt a few times to clear minor friction. Now, inspect the internal components. Step 1. Check motor wire connection. Remove the interior lock cover from the door and ensure the small white motor wire is securely plugged into the circuit board. Step 2. Lubricate the bolt. Use the dry graphite powder. Avoid oil-based lubricants like WD-40, which can attract dirt on the bolt assembly and internal gears. Step 3. Replace the batteries. A dying battery can cause the motor to lack the torque needed to throw the deadbolt. Replace the 4 AA batteries with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. Now, factory reset. First, disconnect the batteries, then press and release the exterior Schlage button. After that, reconnect the batteries. And now the Schlage button will flash green. Then press and hold it until it's light up green again and the log speaks. Then program one of your original default user codes to test. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.